don't know if you can see that in the distance. There's some sort of storm front coming in. So yeah, big, almost high clouds, fluffy clouds, almost like a temperature inversion in the distance over there. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Let's just say we get a few lightning bolts, eh? It'd be rather strange if we had a very apt lightning bolt and a heart attack on the other side of the world. All at the same time. Well, there's Mandalay Reserve. There's a polling booth up here as well. I had to go to a different one this year. Looked it up on the web, you know. Yeah. You can do all that. And yep, they're still boating in there. Oh, Jesus. Anyway, next stop, Mankawa Park, I think.